welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Mitsuko, so thank you so much for watching this video. Today I'm going to be doing a nice smoky sultry look for Valentine's Day, so let's get into it. Whenever I'm doing my makeup, I like to start with my eyes, so I'm prepping the lids with concealer and then I'll set that with setting powder. Then I'm using the Too Faced concealer, Born This Way in Chestnut. And I'm just setting my lids with the Laura Mercier setting powder. Now for the eyes, I want to use this palette from Natasha Denona. This is her Love palette, so fitting Valentine's Day, why not? This palette has beautiful reddish pink purple shades with beautiful shimmers as well. I'm going to put Heart in my crease. This shade is super pigmented, so just a little bit goes a long way. So I'm going to blend that into my crease. Going to put this one. So I'm using Soul just to make it a little bit softer, just so it can blend into my brows, just a little bit. Now to smoke the eyes, I'm going to use this shade, which is Heartbeat, and I'm going to do a halo. So I'm putting that first right under my crease on the outer part. Take some more, put it in my inner corner, and then just leave the middle, just packing the shade first, and then I'll blend it out. And then you can go a little bit over the crease, just a little bit, but not too much. I'm taking a clean brush just to blend it out a little bit into my crease, just to make sure there are no harsh lines. Going back in with whatever is left over on this brush, and then adding it to the outer part and inner part again. Just making sure I don't lose the intensity. Okay, going back in with the first brush, taking a little bit of Heart and then blending it into my crease. All the shades are all there again, just making sure it's all blended, no harsh lines. Going to prep my lid first using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer, and I'm putting that right in the middle where I'm going to apply a beautiful glitter. Making sure it's exactly where I want it to be. Going to use the Pretty Rich palette from Too Faced. This is Diamond Glitterati. Do you see this? Do you see this? Oh my gosh. Just making sure I stay right in the middle where I apply the primer. So I want more smoke on the outer part and inner corner of my eye. So I'm using the Lighten Up Eye Pencil from Give. This one is in the shade Spiderwebs. Just a little bit, because this one is super pigmented, close to my lash line. And you don't put anything in the middle, just around the lash line. And I'll take my brush just to smoke it. Going to do the other eye off camera, come back, and then I'll finish the rest of the look. So I'm going to rehydrate my skin using the Bobbi Brown. This is the Vitamin In Reach Face Base, and I truly love this one. Like, it's almost done. Going to prime using the Fashion Fair Skin Priming Serum. Now for my foundation, I'm using the Makeup Forever HD Skin. This one is in the shade 4Y60. And I think I'm going to put a pump and a half. So I'm going to contour using the Hourglass foundation. This one's in the shade Chestnut. And then for that brightness, I'm going to use the Sephora Best Skin Ever. This one's in the shade 21.5 Yellow. Now for the cheeks, I want something pink, and I'm going to use this shade from Patrick Ta palette. This is the face palette. Putting some on the back of my hand first, then I'll blend everything just to sheer it out and then apply it on my cheeks. Going to add a layer of this just to melt everything together. Ooh, I put too much. She is going to be bright, y'all. Oh my god, she's going to be so bright. Okay, I put way too much of this concealer, so I'll fix it, but don't make the same mistake as me. Going back in with this one, just making sure that my contour is blended into my highlight. Adding some on the side here, just on my nose bridge because it's a little bit too pale as well. Going back in with my blush. And then to set my highlight, I'm going to use the Laura Mercier setting powder. This one's in the shade Honey. So I set the rest of my face using the NARS Light Reflecting Setting Powder in the shade Meza, and I feel like it just brings everything together. I like using coconutty because it gives me like a hint of color, and it's not too red, so it's perfect. It's just pretty subtle. Going back in with the face palette from Patrick Ta, and then I'm using this shade. Cute. And I'm bringing this shade up to my eyeshadow just so it's seamless. I want them to be super pink. So I did my brows off camera and I want to finish the eyes. So I'm going back in with the first shade, which is Heart. So I'm putting the shade all over my bottom lash line. Using a brush like this, I'm going to smoke it out. Now I'm taking a little bit of Intense and I'm going to use this shade just to blend out the first shade. Taking the black liner and then I'm going to tight line my lashes. And I'm also going to put a little bit on my bottom lash line. Since my eyes are the star of the show, I'm going with just a lip gloss on the lips. I want something pretty simple because I want to have a balanced look. So I'm adding this from McGRATH. This is Bronze Seduction. It has like a reddish tint to it, so that's why I like it. So I ended up putting mascara off camera, but if you want, you can always add lashes. And that's pretty much everything for the look. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Let me know what you think down below. If you haven't done it already, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.